Ramses is all ready for swimming. Ramses is getting his first haircut.
With the free. No cavity.
This way. This way. Around. Hey everyone, in today's video we will be recording a random Saturday in our lives. I will be taking Satai and Ramses to swimming. We are actually there now. Time permits, I'll be getting them a haircut. Getting my hair washed. Oral went to the dentist, so just typical errands. I have to get some Valentine's Day card for the boys, so we'll try to throw that in. Excuse my voice, I'm just getting over a cold, so my voice is all raspy and sexy, so don't mind it. Yeah, so I'm about to take them out the car and then I'll come back and chat with you guys a little bit. So Ramses, say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Okay, Ramses, you're staring blankly, and Satai's there.
What's up? I'm just playing with Pencil.
You play with Mr. Pencil? Ramses, Mr. Pencil? Huh? Anyways, I don't usually have a lot of time because I'm always rushing. So I'm gonna get them inside. I'm gonna get Ramses inside, and then I will come back outside and record for a little bit. So that's it for now. Ramses is all ready for swimming. Right? Are you excited? Show me how you're gonna swim. Show me how you're gonna swim. You just wanna eat your Cheerios? Someone decided to read a book today instead of running around. Not gonna talk too soon though. What are you reading, Satai? Okay, 100 fun facts about octopus, squids, and more. Okay, that's cool. So I just dropped Ramses off for swimming and left Satai reading. So there's like a little library section. There are books, kids can just go and pick up books. So Satai knows how to read now, so he'll just randomly pick a book and read. He was reading about fun facts about, I think it's octopus. Anyways, so I try to hydrate Ramses before you go in the pool today, because last week he took in some pool water, which was so nasty. But I'm like, I wonder if he was thirsty or it was just playing, experimenting. Again, he's 3, and he started swimming like right before he turns 3, because for him to go to swimming by himself, he needs to be 3. So we waited for a few months before, and you know, it's about 2 months before, and then they'll accept him as a 3-year-old. So yeah, so he's still getting acclimated with the water and stuff. He loves the water, but he's not, you know, he just kicks his foot. He's not doing the real deal thing yet. But that's the reason why we're here. Satai is different. Satai's been going to swimming forever, so that's good. So yeah, so let me show you. So normally I just like pack like snacks for them, because Ramses swimming is at 10:20, but then there's a long break in between. Satai doesn't swim until 1 p.m. Didn't choose that. That's the only class they have for Saturdays, and it's more convenient. Look who's here. It's more convenient for us to do swimming on Saturdays or Sundays. It was fun, Satai, the book? Good. So yeah. So that's why
Every time I go near them, every time I go near them, they fly away.
They're not gonna stay if you're hanging out with them, Satai. You're not their kind of crowd. So you're gonna go swing now, huh? Satai's probably gonna go swing. There's like a little park also. So anyways, so yeah, so I try to bring snacks because we have like a long time in between. Sometimes I'll take a ride and go get them something to eat. Other times we'll just sit here. They'll play in the park like Satai is doing right now. They'll play in the park, or I'll run quick errands. today I'll see. Maybe I'll run errands today because I have to get, like I said earlier, I have to get Valentine's card. Yes?
I see ducks.
Ducks? Okay. Yeah, the Trogs Neck bridges here, and the river. So yeah. So yeah, so I have to get Valentine's card and I have to see if they can get a haircut in between this time. So we might be doing that today. But let me show you what I have in the bag. So it's just Satai's old book bag because I get him a new book bag for school every year. Don't ask me why, but I get him a new book bag. So I brought like the towel, and then, okay, don't mind, this is my tie that I took off last minute. Okay, don't mind that either. So I have some Cheerios. I just grabbed the extras. I have some granola. What else? I just have 2 juices. So we have Lucky Charm, granola again. Then I have a Juicy Juice. I have a Capri Sun because we're running low on stuff at home, so I have to go to the store. This is like a half of pretzel. Ramses and Satai love pretzels. Pop-Tart. This is for Ramses because this is strawberry Pop-Tart and they both love strawberry Pop-Tart, but for Satai it has to have the yes, I'll be right there. Satai's Pop-Tart has to have the frosting on the top, the strawberry frosting on top. Otherwise, he's not eating it. So, yeah, Goldfish. Rice Krispie. Trust me, they're not going to eat all of this, but I like to pack extra just in case. You never know. And usually, yes, Satai? I'll be right there. Usually both Ramses and Satai ask for chicken nuggets anyways, so I'll take them to get chicken nuggets. But and Ramses water bottle. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, Satai's outfit. I let Ramses put on his outfit before, but sometimes Satai said he's uncomfortable, so I keep Satai's swim clothes in the bag. Satai, stop it. Underclothes for them. Oh, and I start Satai's swim cap because I don't wear the same swim cap. Ramses, it will be too wet. And I brought this Nivea cocoa butter because every time after swimming, I normally let them take a shower, but I noticed that their skin is so dry, and Satai, they both have eczema, and they'll be itching the whole time until we get home. So I said, you know what, let me just bring some lotion and just make their lives more comfortable. Only take me a few extra minutes to put some lotion on them. So that's what I do. So yeah, another thing in the bag is goggles. Satai hates to swim without his goggles. And that's it. Just random other shit like pen. I don't know why there's a pen in there. Pen and a notebook probably I was making notes or something. Yeah. So anyway, so that's what's in the bag. Let me go see what Satai is doing over there because he keeps calling me. Satai, stop. And then I have to watch the time because, oh my God, it's almost time. Because Ramses only swim for 30 minutes, but Satai swims for 50 minutes. So Ramses' time is about to be up. We got here on time today, but we got into the pool like 5 minutes late because Ramses just, I don't know what's wrong with him today. He wanted to give him some water and he was eating the Cheerios, but he wanted to go with some of the Cheerios. I'm like, no, you can't go. So I was like being a little bit upset. What are you, Satai, that's how you're gonna swim? Swim properly, let me see.
Push me.
Swim properly, let me see, because I have to go for Ramses now. I literally have 3 minutes.
Push me.
I can't push you.
Yes, you can.
I saw you swimming by I saw you swinging by yourself last week.
Push me.
Where's your hat, Satai?
Inside. Push me.
Why you leave your hat inside?
Push
Come,
me.
I don't have a lot of time. We have to go get Ramses.
Me.
You're doing a good job. Go ahead, keep going.
Me.
Use your foot for momentum.
No.
Okay, that's it.
Push me.
I have to go. We don't have enough time. I can't record you and push you and then get Ramses on time. Good job, Satai.
I want to go high, so that's why.
We'll do high after Ramses is done, okay? Remember, we can't leave him waiting. It's going to be cold when he get out the pool. It's just so... It's so calm. It's so peaceful back here. Like, no one is at the park clearly because it's cold. Another little girl is coming. She's always here. She and Satai and their dad. See, they're coming over there. They're the only ones who always come to the park. Nobody else comes to the park because it's cold. But it's just like the best feeling back here. Like, it's just so peaceful and calm and relaxing. The river. Yeah, I think that's the Trog's Neck Bridge. River is just so calm and peaceful. So yeah, I'm gonna run and get Ramses and then see what we're doing in between. The apples for Ramses. Okay. Ramses is done with swimming. So we're just waiting for Satai now. We're gonna run I'm gonna see what I can get done in this time. I think we have about, so no, like 11. We have like an hour and a half, so I'll see how much I can get done in that hour and a half. We're going to Burlington to see if we get the Valentine's card.
And that's Burlington.
I noticed there's seasonal cards.
That's
I got a bunch of Christmas cards from them.
Burlington has a lot of hearts, and see the bees are hearts. So duh.
Oh, the bees are hearts, so duh. They have Valentine's card. Okay, I get it. Okay.
Have a lot of Valentine's stuff. Duh.
Wait, watch the car. I took the stroller out because honestly, Satai, wait. It's not easy. Why would you drive that way? This way. This way. Around. I'm not joking, Ars. I'm taking it from you. Oh, Lord. I had to take the stroller from Satai because he wants to do what he wants to do.
No.
Yes, you do.
No, I'm gonna go back down.
So as I was saying, I noticed that Burlington had, I said that already, right? Yeah, so they had a lot of Christmas cards. I'm hoping they'll have Valentine's card because both Ramses and Satai are going to bring Valentine's card to school. So I guess you don't have to, but it's nice to send a little card and little goodie bags.
Oh, yeah.
I guess not much. Maybe we'll put some candy.
Yeah.
And a card
lollipops
for the kids in the class.
Oh, yeah.
That's it, basically. So we're going to run in here and see what they have.
Whoa.
Satai, why are you always doing the most? It's just the worst. I feel like it's the worst thing to carry both a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old to the store all by myself.
It's not.
It is. So I make sure to.
Because I get to pick for you.
You get to pick for me. You get to pick for yourself. So I make sure to take the stroller. At least I can have one under full control, and the other one I can just, you know, use one hand to push the stroller, one hand to handle the tire. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like it's like a full-time job just to go to the store with these two boys. I don't know. Is it just me or is it hard? Is it hard to shop with a 3 and a 6-year-old? Anyways, let's get inside. What?
Look, somebody ordered the whole rug.
Yes, it's hot. Ramses' turn to play in the park. Satai's swimming now. He's been swimming about 30 minutes now. We did not get those Valentine's card. Apparently not all the Burlington sell these cards, because the one that I went to over the holidays had all different cards, but this one doesn't sell a card. So we'll go to another one or maybe the dollar store or something. But anyways, Ramses is excited to slide.
Hello. Hooray.
Count the steps, Ramses. Count the steps while you go up them. No? Okay. All right. Whee! Come. Come back. Ramses, look at the airplane. Whee! Good job, Ramses. Again. You want to do it again? Again. Again. Again, Ramses. Again. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps. Yay! All right, ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast, fast. Faster, faster. Whee! Where are you going? Up. One more. What else do you want to do? You want to play the drums? Let's play the drums. Let's play the drums. Yes. Good job, Ramses. You like the sound of the drums? You just want to slide. Do you want to go on the swing, Ramses? Let's go on the swing. I'm right here swinging, Ramses, if you want to swing with me. Down too. Come. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. Satai's waiting for the shower to warm up so he can rinse off. He's like, why are you videotaping me? I'm naked. No, you're not naked. You're in a swimsuit that you just came out of the pool with. Stop. Anyways, the water takes a while to warm up sometimes, and he's not going in until it's warm. So we just got McDonald's. I got a 20-piece nuggets to split for Ramses and Satai. I don't know if you guys know this, but I just got onto the app, right? Because the boys always ask for chicken nuggets. They won't eat anything else but chicken nuggets and fries in there. So, I was saying I just got onto the app, and so I got a 20-piece chicken nuggets, and I asked for extra box so I can split some.
9 plus 9 is 19.
Hold on, sweetie. So I can split it for Ramses. Put Ramses in this, like so. Here you go. Yes, and then I'll give Satai's this. But anyways, so I've been getting chicken nuggets and fries for a while now, and this is about 3 weeks that I figured out the app. 2, 4. So make sure I'm splitting it equal. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So Satai does the barbecue sauce, and recently Satai started to, like last week he tried the, we're coming from one of the food Ramses will eat, because Ramses is super picky, doesn't really eat a lot, but chicken nuggets and fries, yes, he'll eat chicken nuggets any day. So I was saying, right, I was always getting chicken nuggets and fries. I used to get the buy one get one for $1, so I would buy 1 chicken nuggets and get another one for $1, like 6 piece. And then I figured out the app. I think, I don't know, I heard about another app, and I'm like, let me try to download the McDonald's app. Lo and behold, I was getting there's a deal for 20-piece chicken nuggets for $5. If you guys get McDonald's, you probably noticed already. Maybe I'm just late to the game, but if you don't, like, you need to download the app. If you don't and you buy McDonald's for the kids, you should download the app. So anyways, 20-piece chicken nuggets for $5. Ramses is getting his first haircut. Oh my God. Ramses, all I hear is gone. Why is Ramses looking in the mirrors? Ramses, I hope you sit still just like that for the rest of the time.
Wait, he cut off his front hair? He looks like Dumb. He cut off his front hair. My front hair looks better. What the heck?
Stop it, Eyes.
He has to work the same hairstyle
Oh boy.
as me.
Maybe you have to hold this and let me hold them.
He has to be the same hairstyle.
It's okay,
as me.
Ramses. He's gonna have the top high.
I told him.
Ramses,
Now he's gonna have no hair.
it's
like
okay.
me. He's gonna have zero hair like me.
It's okay, Ramses.
Bro, he looks like bald. He looks bald right now.
Hmm?
He looks bald right
Hold this, and let me get the phone for him. Hold this.
Why me? Sorry, you don't see nothing. You don't see nothing. Sorry, I think you don't see anything.
Good job, Ramses. Good job, Ramses.
He's getting his first haircut. Wow. I got plenty of haircuts back in the day when I was his age. I mean, back in the days. Hey
Guys, we just got home.
Hey guys, I'm just taking off my shoes. One shoe.
Put it up, put it up, put it up, put it away.
One.
Put your pocket, Missy.
Okay.
Put your shoes away.
Don't mind this. It's been there for a long time. It just gets moldy.
All right, sit
Those are
down.
my shoes. They're pretty old.
Yeah, those
they
are
got
your
roughed out.
run around shoes. Anyway, Sitai's putting away sneakers, and look where
Oh,
Ramses
look,
is.
we got a new shoe stand.
Yeah,
Look.
I see that shoe stand already. Look who's knocked out. I had to lift him from the car and put him down. He's knocked out cold. So Sitai's gonna take a break now too. And I'm gonna relax for a minute because I'm tired too. So, oh yeah. So a couple of things. I didn't get the Valentine's card.
And you
Didn't get to wash my hair. Yeah, I'll get your Starburst Sour Patch. Didn't get to wash my hair because my hairdresser was unable to do it today. Some circumstances. Yeah, we'll go to beaches another day. So yeah. So that's it.
Mommy, every day you say every day.
Didn't do everything we needed to do, but Sitai, I don't know if Sitai's gonna take a nap, but Sitai, you gonna take a nap?
No.
No?
No.
What are you gonna do?
Why you watch TV?
What are you doing that? Why are you doing that to the couch? Stop doing that. Sitai's probably gonna watch TV now. Ramsey.
Like you.
Was the water cold at swimming today, Sitai?
Yes, but I just had to push through it like you.
You had to push through?
Yes, you keep going because I'm strong. Like you said, I have to push through it.
So you swam and you were swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Did Ramses swim good as well?
He does not swim.
He does
He still drinks the water.
and he's not laying down properly?
No.
But did you swim the length of the pool?
Like, what?
Did you swim the length of the pool?
Yeah, I swam the hole.
The whole length of the pool?
Yeah, and then went back.
And went back and forth?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And did you use the? You didn't use the belt, right?
No,
Okay, 'cause you know you can't use a
Never.
belt. No, you can't use a belt.
not the noodle either.
Not the noodle, no. Because you're strong, you got to put strength into it, right? Okay, that's good. Ramses, what you swim?
No, you just pay attention to the phone because mommy gave me the phone.
Okay,
How
good.
do you know you that swim?
Okay, I like.
Me and Ramses didn't know.
Yeah, I
I
like.
did. I saw you.
You saw me?
Yes.
Went to the park.
Yeah, I
and then-
knew that. I knew that because
You knew that we went to the park?
yes.
See, Ramses sleeping.
And he's sleeping. He didn't swim much, and he's sleeping. He's so tired.
Tell you always sleep after the pool. After the pool, you always sleep. You usually take a nap, but today we went to the park.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit tired,
That's
Trip.
enough videos.